Hello children, welcome to your math class. Now we will start with a new lesson, that is lesson 3, and the name of the lesson is multiplication. The topic which we are going to learn in multiplication first are multiplication as repeated addition and multiplication on number line. And the learning outcome, that is what we are going to learn. So, children, you will be able to know the method of solving the given multiplication as repeated addition, and you will know the method of representing multiplication on number line. Now, first we will learn multiplication as repeated addition. So, here you can see here some pictures are given. So these pictures are of, yes, these are stars. You can see so many smiling stars are there. So children, you first tell me that how many groups of stars are here. We'll count all together. So this is the first group, this is the second group, this is the third group, and this is the fourth group, sorry. So how many groups of stars are there? Yes, 4 groups. Okay, very good. Now children, my next question is that how many stars are there in each group? Like how many stars are there in the first group? Count 1, 2 and 3. And it's same with second group. Again it is 3 and 3, again it is 3, and for third group again it is 3. And then for the last group again 3 stars are there. So children, in each group how many stars are there? 3 stars are there. Okay, now we will now children, we will add, and then we will find out the total stars. Okay, so children, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 4 groups are there and each group has 3. So now we will add and then we will find out the total number of stars. Okay, now 3 plus 3 children, it is, yes, 6. Now if we add 3 and 6, you can count 3 times after 6, that is 7, 8 and 9. Then again 1 3 is left, so we will add 3 again in this 9. So you can count 3 times after 9, that is 10, 11 and 12. So how many total stars? Yes, 12 stars. Children, how many total stars are there? 12 stars. Okay. So this, what we have done right now children, this is called repeated addition. Because, and what is repeated addition children? It is the addition of the same number over and over again, as we have done here. We have added the same number 4 times because 4 groups are there. Okay, but instead of writing the same number again and again, alternatively children, we can write it in multiplication form. Why? Because it is a faster way to do repeated addition. Okay, so children, again I will ask you the same questions, that how many groups of stars were there? Yes, 4. Okay, and how many stars are there in each group? Yes, 3 stars in each group. So we can write in multiplication form like 4 groups into 3, okay, is equal to, so children, you already know the table of 4. So what is 4 threes are? 4 threes are is 12. So see children, now it's very easy to find out the answer in multiplication form. 4 is the number of groups and 3 is the number of stars in each group, and now you have put the multiplication. Children, this sign is your multiplication sign, this cross sign. Okay, so 4 into 3, now you already know the table, 4 threes are 12. So children, see how fast we have got the answer instead of adding again and again. So this way children, we can write repeated addition and multiplication form. And here 4 and 3 children, here 4 and 3, they are called factors, because they are the numbers which these are the numbers which we have multiplied. And the answer, this 12 which we have got, this is called product. Whenever we multiply two numbers and whatever answer we get, children, that answer is called product. Okay, and these two numbers which are multiplied, they are called factors. Okay, so children, this way you can write multiplication as repeated addition. Okay. Okay, children. Now, again, ma'am has taken one question. This is from exercise 3.2, and the question is, solve the given multiplication as repeated addition. So, children, here the multiplication is given. Okay, so here multiplication is given, and we have to write this multiplication in repeated addition form. Okay, so it is 4 threes are. So it means, children, how many groups are there? 4 groups. 4 into 3 is, children, so how many groups are there? 4 groups. And each group, how many are there? 3 are there. Okay, so children, it will be, you can count here, 4 groups are there, 4 blanks are given, 1 2 3 4, and each group, how many are there? 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So children, here 4 threes are, what is 4 threes are? You know the table again of 4, it is 12. Okay, so here 3 plus 3, again it is 6. 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. Again 9 plus 3. Count 3 times after 9. 10, 11, 12. Okay. So this way, children, you can write multiplication as repeated addition. Okay, so I hope, children, this much is clear to you all. Now our next topic is multiplication on the number line. Okay, so here ma'am has taken one example, and again this question is from your book only. It is taken from exercise 3.3, and the question is multiply using the number line. So here, children, the numbers are 4 and 3, 4 multiplied by 3. Now we will find out the answer by using this number line, not directly. Okay, so children, here what you have to do, 4 into 3. Okay, so for finding out the total, that is for finding out 4 into 3, you have to take 4 jumps. It is 4 into 3. It is 4 into 3, so it means you have to take, it is 4 into 3, children, so it means you have to take 4 jumps. So here you have to take 4 jumps, and into 3, so it means 3 steps. So children, what you have to do, you have to take 4 jumps of 3 steps. Okay, so you have to take 4 into 3, so 4 jumps of 3 steps. Now see how you have to take 4 jumps of 3 steps. So first from 0 we'll count 3. So from 0, 3 count will be 1, 2 and 3. First jump of 3, and then again count 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is second jump, children. Now third jump of 3, 7, 8, 9. This is third jump of 3. You have to jump 4 times. Now again 3 steps. Last jump of 3 steps, 10, 11 and 12. This is fourth jump. Okay. So children, now how many jumps? How many times you have jumped? Yes, 4 times, and of 3 steps. Now where you have reached, which number? Yes, 12. So answer is 12, and you can check your answer. You already know the table of 4. 4 threes are is 12 only. So this way you can check your answer also. You already know the tables. So this way children, you have to multiply, and you can find out the answer by using number line. So I hope this is also clear to you all, that how you can multiply using this number line.